Coffee in hand, Chris and I grabbed the pups and decided to go and walk through our woods where we've carved out a beautiful path, and we just want to have a nice relaxing morning before getting to work on our land. We have a lot of things to get done this winter before the snow starts to come down, and we need to make sure that our property is ready for the spring and summer ahead. I'm Danielle of the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel. If you've been keeping up to date with our channel, then you'd know that my fiance Chris and I have just bought a old 1950s house in New Jersey, and we are working to turn it into a homestead slash farm. So the house is on 10 acres of land, and there is so much work to be done. We've recently done the living room, dining room area, as well as the kitchen in there. There's still so much work to be done though, but we wanted to work outside today because it is really nice and cool, and we want to start getting out some of the trees so that when the spring comes, we can actually start to plant some apple trees and get our above ground gardens ready. And also we are going to be getting some rabbits, chickens, and other animals soon, so we just want to be ready for them. So Chris has been clearing up a lot of the land and making sure to get all of the trees down that are dead, but he is moving a really big one today, so I just want to catch it on camera and share some of the stuff that we're doing outside with you guys. So let's head outside. This is the tree that we're planning on knocking down. It's already dead, and we just want to make sure that it doesn't actually come down on our house. So we're clearing it out and going to chop up some of the wood so we have fresh firewood for all winter. Okay, so what do you got to keep in mind when you're going to make a tree fall?
Where it's leaning, what's underneath where it's leaning, where is your exit strategy if something goes wrong, where you're running when this thing starts tipping in the wrong direction, and where the dogs are or where somebody else is. That's it.
Pups, you gotta watch out. He's eyeing up the tree.
Let's try it out. Get Paige inside.
Look at her. She's like feverishly digging. She's trying to get to China. Trying to get to China? Alright, well, let me set this camera up real far away. With that tree gone, we moved to cleaning up the brush.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I was cleaning over here.
Oh, what kind of plants are these?
I found these.
What are those?
I don't know, they look like they could be flowers though.
Yeah, they look
Like
cool.
these could be like tulips, which would be
that's pretty cool.
sweet. Look at them all. There's like a bajillion over here.
Yeah.
I got some over here. I mean, I don't think these can be. I could dig one up.
See what they have. I mean, you don't have to dig it up and see what happens. It'll sprout right there. Only a little bit more of that pile left.
After a quick break, we went back to work.
you got going over here, baby?
Clean this area up. There is
Looks
so
good.
many vines. There's vines and vines and vines and vines.
Got a lot done. I mean, got the difference.
Okay, it doesn't seem like a lot, but
The difference is significant.
it's crazy.
That looks
this
like dirt.
Takes a really long time to get to
And
compared to this.
what's left over. But this used to be that. And you can see I'm almost through getting this part done. But this, it was that high over there. Same thing.
Show me for.
And there you go,
scale?
for you for scale. We got a lot done this weekend.
I'm 5'6".
Wow. Yeah,
Oh, there's a prickle.
I know. I walked through that and cut all the bushes. That's where that path is. That used to be that. You got poison ivy, you got pricker bushes, you got everything. Gotta take one for the team. All right.
Mags is.
Max is always about it.
Come here. Day 4 of our wood burning. Our fireplace has been going strong for 4 days. It's crazy. But it's also snowing right now, so I'm gonna go head outside, see what our fire looks like, maybe help throw some wood on, and make sure that we can really clean up this forest before everything gets covered in snow and we have to pause for a bit. So let's go. Oh my gosh, it's freezing! Hi! Oh, you guys are covered in snow.
Cold outside.
Fire is not cold though. Fire's popping. This week we got so much done clearing out the acreage in the back and making some trees fall. We had a bunch of wood and a huge bonfire that lasted multiple days. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as we post weekly content on how we're turning these 10 acres into a farm. And we'd love for you to follow the journey.